Hi guys, it's me Maxi the gamer here. Today we're gonna play Cats Are Liquid, and since this isn't an everyday video, I'm not gonna show my camera. Gosh, oh, I already know how to do these. I just downloaded the Atlas one instead of the bit smoother one, cause it almost look ridiculous. And so yeah, we're gonna go on to the story here. So about the story, you just gotta go for these texts. So yeah, her owner started acting weirdly and locked her in here. Gosh. Yeah, I ever heard this on my mom's phone. Then I'm now doing it on the Galaxy tab. She wasn't exactly sure why he was acting like that. Oh. Suckle the box. Oh no. Oh, whoa. Balls. Oh. Help. Help. No. I always like the cat rolling here. Whoa. I don't need any lives. Oh. He said that the cat reminded him of someone. Yeah, I did not know who's the someone because the game doesn't tell. Ow. What is that? No wait. X in room one. What was that? Wait. Oh, this text. So it says she couldn't remember who. That kind of makes sense. No, not the spike. As soon as she entered the room, she noticed a familiar orange triangle. Oh wow! What is? I will never touch that. Sad. I never know these are spikes. If they are orange, meaning that they are lava. If they are blue, meaning that they are water, meaning that they are safe for you. Lava hurts you because it will turn you to stone or obsidian. Gosh, she didn't like them. Those triangle those things hurt her. Why should I do this? Oh gosh. Yes, checkpoint. Now I finally got another Y. So if you go to these light thingies, you're gonna get a checkpoint, or when you lose one life, then you can get revived like that. Wee. Oh gosh. Wee. 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 What is this? Okay, so these blue things are. She noticed how the entire floor was covered with those orange triangles. Yes, they are. She certainly did. Hold on. Whee! Oh frick! Ah! Ah! I lose 2 lives. I need a checkpoint now. Oh frick! Not this. I ever do this. Gosh, I ever do this in some kind of level, then do the vertical one, and it was so hard. Gosh. Oh. Wee. Ah! Oh no! I did not get a checkpoint. Gosh. Wee. Ah! Wee. 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 Wow. Wee. room looks like it's... Someone who created this game must have lots of ideas. Because this creator has made too much ideas and now his brain is dying. Gosh, please save this creator. Ah! Ah! Oh no. Blocks, please save me. No! Oh no! Oh gosh, this is horrible. What am I doing? Help! Cats are living liquid. They don't want to get hurt by lava or turn to obsidian or stone, kinda. Minecraft logic. No. Oh no. I bonked myself. Liquid, of course, does. Oh. Sorry, guys. Wait. There's gonna be a spike. Oh, prepare for the spike. There you go. Blocks. Thanks. Thank you. Ow. This is gonna take a long time. Guys, I finally got a checkpoint because... Yeah, I just used the blocks, then just jump lots. Yeah, I just lose one life this time, guys. Ah! I need life reveal! Yay. No, I hate this. I hate this. Ah! Get out of here, you lava. Don't turn me again. Yay. Wait, acted weird. Oh, that's how the cat turned to liquid. Gosh. Ah. Bong, 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 bong. Ah. I have suffered pain. Ah. Oof. Oh my gosh. It doesn't look the same. Guys, I swear it doesn't look like the same. You can see that there were no spikes before. And now there are spikes. No, you liar. You liar. We need to go to the middle because now they added... Oh no. Yeah, kind of. I need to... This is more challenging. It's not squares. In squares you can climb more easier. In circles you can't. Because of their no sights. You know. Oh no! Oh my gosh, I think I break the game. Oh. Yeah. It was similar but different. Oh, interesting. We found something different, probably. Ow! Oh gosh, I thought I was going here. Oh my gosh. Ah! No, I need to like jump on it. Guys, if you jump on that orange square there, it will disappear. Look. It did not even hurt me. I got... I need checkpoint. Give checkpoint. Oh no. Yee. Get out of my way. Nice. Yes, checkpoint. Yes. Don't fall to these. You're gonna get triangle. Yay. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Ah. Ah! I'm gonna show you guys what was I humming about. It was just like the Fractions Pain song. I'm gonna show you guys later in another video animation. Whoa! Jump! Jump on it. Wee! Hide! Bye! Ow! Bye! Ow! Hi! She saw the ocean of orange triangles. This is the ocean. Wee! Bye bye and felt square. Okay, bye bye. Text. Ah. Ah. Ugh. Oh. Ugh. 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 Ah. Oof. Yay. Heal. Oh. Ow. One spike hurt my feelings. Ah. Oof. Oh. Ah. Permission. What? Sorry. Coming through. Excuse me. Coming through. We. Ah. Why? Hiking. Hot hiking. Wow. Disgusting. Wee. Oof. Speedrun. Da 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 Wee! I knew it. That would be Never mind. This room was a little bit weird. It only went. Yeah, this one. This time is the horizontal. Easy horizontals. Ah ah ah. Ow! Help! Yay! Ugh. Ugh. Wee. Wee. Woo. Wee. Maybe. Yeah, it will. No, not this one. This one is hard. Yes. And he might have suffer pain now. Just give him a break now. Maybe not later. Just now. Please. Come on. No! I'm a nice person. Yeah. Lucky for her. Wait, this designer is a he? I just noticed that. I remember of someone. No one. Is it? No. Wait, I think I know who made this. Like that video where it says what cats are living liquid. Why? Help me! I'm in conscious pain. I told you, I'm in conscious. I need to be careful. Ow. Ouchie. Ouchie. Oh no, I have one life. Oh, ouchie. No. Okay, yes. Blah 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 blah. Yes! Gosh, guys, that was so hard. Finally did it, though. Oh. Oh no. Yeah. Yes, why doing squares? Kirby Maxi. Falls. No. No! I was so far. How's this impossible? No. Help. Thank you. Not thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No! Oh no, I have one life left. I must be more serious. survive well, not to just skip everything. Okay. Yes. Gosh. Okay, I still have 2 lives. That's a good thing. No! Why did you... We didn't think. No, no, yes, finish, yeah. Oh, okay, this is the last level for me. Whee! That was new and kind of weird. Get me out of here! Whee! Ah! Whee! Ah! Grab. Ah. Gosh, I'm skipping lots. Yay. Oh no. Ah. Whoa, what's this? This is my last one though. This is a light. Why did you decide to stay in here? What? I want to escape already. I want to like complete the game but not do a... Oh. What? No. Like, what? I need to keep searching. Oh, frick. Ah! Yes. Huh? What is the text going to say? This isn't going to help. Yes, why did I decide to stay here? I think it's about the game play. Ah! Oh. Doing this will only make it worse. Oh my gosh. Why did I even decide to stay here? Oh gosh, I really hate this ad. Oh, wait. I literally said that was...